Join me as I embark on a mission to finally uncover the mystery of where all my socks disappeared after doing laundry. We've all been there. You do a load of laundry, and suddenly, out of nowhere, a sock vanishes into thin air. It's as if the laundry gods have conspired against us, leaving us with a lone sock that's completely useless without its partner. But the question remains, where do they all go? I think we can all agree that losing socks in the laundry is one of the most frustrating and relatable challenges faced by many households. I mean, who hasn't experienced the disappointment of sorting through a fresh load of clean clothes only to find that one of your favorite socks has gone missing? It's not just the financial cost of constantly replacing lost socks that gets to us, but also the emotional attachment we have to our favorite pairs. From the perfectly matching couples to the quirky, one-of-a-kind designs, our socks hold a special place in our hearts. And when they disappear, it's like a little piece of us goes missing too. I've lost count of how many times I've stood in front of my open dryer, staring at the remaining sock, wondering what dark magic has taken place inside that spinning drum. I'm not alone in this struggle. Millions of people around the world are united in their confusion and frustration over the disappearing sock phenomenon. It's a mystery that has baffled scientists, laundry experts, and everyday people alike. But what if I told you that the explanation for this phenomenon might not be as sinister as we think? What if I said that there's a logical reason behind the vanishing socks, and it has nothing to do with mischievous laundry gremlins or sock-stealing aliens? Stay tuned as we explore some hilarious and yet surprisingly plausible theories for where our socks might be going. One theory is the dryer monster, a mythical creature that dwells deep within the belly of our washing machines, feasting on unsuspecting socks that dared to enter its domain. Then there's the static cling hypothesis, which suggests that our socks are being attracted to other fabrics and lost in the laundry abyss. And let's not forget the sock-eating laundry basket theory, where our missing socks are being devoured by a hungry basket with an insatiable appetite for cotton and wool. But while these theories might provide some comedic relief, the truth is that our socks might be disappearing due to something much more mundane like human error or fabric fatigue. It turns out that our washing machines and dryers are not as gentle on our clothes as we think, causing them to wear out faster and, you guessed it, disappear. So, there you have it. The mystery of the disappearing socks might not be as mysterious as we thought. But that doesn't mean it's any less frustrating. In fact, the more we understand the science behind it, the more we realize that we're not alone in this struggle. In conclusion, losing socks in the laundry is a universal issue that affects millions of people around the world. It might not be as mythical or exciting as we thought, but it's still a problem that needs to be addressed. And who knows, by understanding the reasons behind it, we might just be able to prevent it from happening in the future. Thanks for joining me on this wild adventure into the world of disappearing socks. If you've got a sock loss story to share, please leave it in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about laundry tips and tricks, be sure to check out our next video.